fucking shoes.
Bro, flick us up, man. Fuck all that shit, man. Flick us up, nigga.
You got him.
No, what?
You got him. Do you got him? Do you got him? Easy work.
Them little bad motherfuckers trying to turn up the grandpas and shit now, man.
This lay back and
We got little niggas.
lay back and shine, motherfucker.
Fucking grandpas out here. So we got our sons, they finna cook up, we finna fuck this shit up.
Fuck it up. Fuck it up. Them niggas ain't gotta say nothing.
I ain't never gonna stop, man.
The sickest they ever do it.
I ain't never gonna stop. So what?
I dropped my towel.
The greatest to do this shit. I created a lane. As a kid, my mama told me, boy, you gon' be big. Now the world know my name.
Yo, what up? It's Gutter TV. You gonna be big. Hey, look, this the new channel. Gutter TV clips. Like, subscribe, comment, all that, and I keep dropping exclusives. We trying to get more plaques, you know what I mean? We need more plaques. This one need a plaque, man. Subscribe right now, man. Keep following. You know what's up, man. You're gonna be big. It's good. Let's get it. Gutter!
You gonna be big. Straight up. You gonna be big. Gutter TV. You gonna be big. Straight up. And that's how
Stay safe, keep it gutter, you know. Yeah, all that. Yeah.